If you ever thought I'm too old to learn piano, I need you to stop believing that right now. Because it's not true. And the actual reason people quit has almost nothing to do with age. Today, I'm breaking down what's really holding adult learners back. And it's not what you think. Every week I hear some version of the same thing. I wish I started as a kid, my brain isn't wired for this anymore, I'm 40, I'm 50, I'm 60, it's just too late. Here is the truth, adults learn piano successfully all the time. What actually stops most adults isn't neurology. It's 3 specific fixable mistakes. Let's go through them. The first reason has nothing to do with your brain and everything to do with your expectations. Kids learning piano are compared to other kids. Adults compare themselves to professionals, to recordings they've heard for 20 years, to YouTube musicians who've played for decades. That comparison isn't fair and it's not useful. A 6-year-old plunking out Twinkle Twinkle isn't being judged against a concert pianist, but adults hold themselves to that standard from day one and then quit when reality does not match it. Here is something rarely talked about. Adult brains bring real advantages to learning piano. You already understand structure, math, and pattern relationships far better than a child does. You can read a chord diagram and immediately grasp the logic of it. A 5-year-old cannot. What adult brains don't have is a child's tolerance for messy, low-pressure repetition. Kids don't mind sounding bad. Adults often cannot stand that. That's not a brain limitation. That's an emotional habit, and habits can change. So the real question isn't, can an adult brain learn piano? It clearly can. The real question is, can you tolerate being a beginner again? That's a completely different skill than musical ability, and it's the one that actually determines whether you stick with it. The third reason adults quit is more practical. They're often taught with the wrong method entirely. Many beginner piano books are designed for kids, slow-paced, repetitive, built around nursery rhymes and kings. An adult brain gets bored, feels condescended to, and disengages. Adults generally do better with method books built for adult learners. Ones that explain the why behind the concept, connect to music you actually want to play, and move at a pace matched to adult pattern recognition rather than a child's attention span. So, here is what actually helps adult learners succeed. Set process goals, not comparison goals. Instead of sound as good as a professional, I'm for improve this one passage this week. Choose music you actually want to play. Motivation matters more for adults than for kids, who are often practicing because a parent told them to. Pick pieces that genuinely interest you, even if they are simplified arrangements at first. Practice in short, consistent sessions. 15 to 20 focused minutes most days beats 1 exhausting hour once a week. Expect the awkward stage and don't quit during it. Every learner at any age goes through a phase where it feels harder before it feels easier. That's not a sign you're too old. That's a sign you're actually learning. If you've been telling yourself you're too old to start or too old to get back into it, I want you to hear this clearly. That is not a biological fact. It's a story built from unfair comparisons and the wrong method. Adults learn piano successfully every single day. The only real requirement is starting and giving yourself permission to be a beginner for a little while.